Hello. It's been a while. So it's literally been a while. I've had a lot of shit going on, like a lot of shit, and in one of my next videos, probably the very next video, I will be explaining one like huge part of that shit. Of course, I'm gonna be staring at my viewfinder the whole time because it's been so long since I filmed. One thing, my hair is like black with like brown in it. I love it. I think it looks great. I'm not wearing foundation. I'm not wearing concealer. I'm barely wearing makeup, but I received a package today and I just like need to talk about it. Like I'm so excited. Maybe I shouldn't be, who knows? You never know how excited you should be, but like I like slept on this for a minute because I was just like, I don't know how good it's gonna be. A lot of people say that they like it, but like, I don't know. I'm not sure. Hopefully, and that is Cab Cosmetics, K-A-B Cosmetics, I don't know. It is by Kim Zolciak and her two daughters, Ariana and Brielle. And I literally remember watching Kim in Real Housewives of Atlanta, like very first seasons, like a million years ago. And now they have the show Don't Be Tardy, which I've never watched. Always interested in, and I will one day, but anyways, I'm supporting them this way. And they actually had a sale on, or it was like a promo for Mother's Day, and it was buy one lip kit and you get one free. The other one, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because like you didn't get to pick your color, and even though it was like a sick deal, like I just don't think the color's for me. I ordered Sugar and Spice for myself. The fun thing about these lip kits is that they are like truly like a kit. Like you would need nothing else for your lips as long as you like the color that you freaking get. So it comes with a liner, it comes with a gloss, it comes with a matte lipstick and a sharpener. So it's like the whole dealio here, boys. So like I said, I got Sugar and Spice. The packaging, at first I was like, that's kind of bulky, like why would it be in like a whole box? But like, it's cute. You could reuse this box for something. You just pull out the insert. And then on the inside it says, people will stare, make it worth their while. Why not? Why the hell not? I had a really hard time picking between this set and the glazed set. I just couldn't make up my mind. And then I did. I think this one's a bit more neutral than the glazed. Don't come for me if I'm wrong. That's just like what I'm remembering off memory. Especially looking at like the lip liner here, like it's like a much darker kind of like neutral brown color. And then this guy, so it goes liner, gloss, lipstick, sharpener. Just in case you didn't know. This retails for, I believe, $45 US. So with shipping, I think I paid $60 US, so it pretty much, I think it was like 80 some dollars, but that's why I hadn't ordered it before I like got this promo, because it was just too much to order only one lip kit. Like I know that you get 4 items with it, 3 actual like lip products, but that's still real expensive for something that like you can't, like I mean you probably could send this back. I don't know what their return policy, yeah, what their return policy would be, but like I'm not about that when I'm having to like I do that sometimes with like Sephora stuff because like I can literally just go in store and return it, but like with makeup I order online, I never have sent back makeup and been like, oh, I didn't like this, like, but with something that's $80, like you'd want to if you didn't like it. Anyways, when this promo came out, I was like, you know what? This is the right time to try it. Like, I can either have a gift or I could sell it to someone, like, if I don't use it. So that's why I'm not even, like, including the other one that I got. So I just thought it was, like, a really good value for your money. That's what I'm saying. It's a very new brand, a very recent brand. They started with all the lip kits. They only had lip kits. They had, like, 8 or 10 or 12 or something to start. And more recent than that, probably, like, less than a month ago, they came out with highlight trios and blush trios, or maybe they were like blush and highlights together, I don't know. Came out with like 4 of those for different skin tones. And then like a week ago, they came out with singles, which was definitely like a smart way to go. I probably would have started with that, but like this isn't my brand, I don't know. Anyways, because it's like a much cheaper way to like try some things out, but they listened to feedback and then they altered what they were doing to fit feedback of what people wanted. So I mean, what more can you ask from a company? Nothing. Shipping took, I ordered it on Mother's Day. I actually did, it was on the Sunday, and then I received it the following Thursday. So that's not bad. I think it came from New Jersey, so I'm on the East Coast of Canada, so that's not like crazy like timing. That probably makes sense. Let's check the website for what we should be looking for or expecting, or I don't know. Let's just look. Lip kits, bitch. Yeah, see, like glazed is sold out again. Glazed is the first one, and then I got the second one there. Yeah, it definitely looks more pink, and Sugar and Spice definitely looks more neutral. So, da-na-na. So it says Sugar and Spice lip kit has everything you need to create the perfect pout. Medicutiously, excuse me, formulated by Kim, Ariana, and Brielle and perfectly designed to use together or individually. Sugar and Spice features a deep dusty rose lip liner, pale nude lip gloss, muted pinky beige, creamy to matte lipstick, and a pencil sharpener. And then it just goes on to say to line your lips with the lip liner, fill them in with the matte lipstick, and then it says you can either wear that by itself or add the gloss. The scent is Vanilla Cupcake. There's 2 reviews. They're both 5 stars. We'll see about 5 stars, bitch. No, I'm actually really excited. Yeah, $45 US. Yeah, I'm excited to try. Like I said, I heard about it, kind of waited to try it just because $45 plus shipping to Canada was a lot. $60 and they converted to like $80 for like lipstick. Even though you get 3 products, I know, don't come for me. It's still a lot. First, I'm gonna do swatches of each individual product. So the lip liner, they're all just called Sugar and Spice, so they don't like waver on that. So there's the lip liner. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. That probably makes more sense. So the lip liner, definitely a bit darker, but I mean, that's supposed to like create your pout, so makes sense, I suppose. The lip gloss, I really like the component. This is cute. And I like that the writing is in like, I believe rose gold. It doesn't look like straight gold. I'm really hoping for this lip gloss to not be sticky. I am not a sticky lip gloss fan. So there's the lip gloss beside it. Very pretty, pretty much exactly what I expected. So big fan of that. Big fan. And then the lipstick. Give me the lipstick. If I'm being honest, this feels kind of cheap, the lipstick component, but I mean, it's still cute. It still smells pretty good. And the actual lipstick underneath the gloss there. So clearly all the tones go together. They all look really nice. They all smell good. I don't know why this just feels like oversized to me, but it's still cute. I like the gray. Like I like that it's not just black and it's not like a crazy color. Like I'm into the colors and stuff. So we're gonna start with the lip liner and then I'm gonna put on the lipstick. We'll take a moment and we'll kind of like see what that looks like. And then we'll apply the gloss to see what we think of like the overall lip kit. Come on in. So, lip liner. We gonna go for it. And I'm probably gonna overline a little bit. Also, this is not a cold sore now that you're like in and close and like, hello. It's dry skin. And you know how like when you have dry skin around your mouth and it like cracks? That's what's going on here. So enjoy my dry face. I don't know if I even said, I literally was beginning to say I'm going to overline because that's what I do. I'm so sorry if you don't like it. I'll see you in the next lifetime or the next video or whatever. And by overline, I really just go to like the very edge of my own lips. So I mean, really am I overlining? Like not really. I do like this color though. It's nice. This pencil does tug. Like, it's not like a like creamy lip pencil. Now, sometimes that does mean that it's gonna like stay on your lips better and it won't kind of like travel, and it'll hold, like what lip liner is supposed to do is like hold your lip color in place. Like, it's supposed to like contain it so it doesn't like bleed outside the lines. So something like this is probably gonna be better than something that is creamier. So I'm not like mad at that. I'm just, you know, putting it out there. Okay. I feel like that's very good. You saw, but like, cute, girl, cute. Not those dry lips, not cute. Okay, so pretty much exactly what I expected. To be honest, this reminds me a lot of MAC's Blankety, except it's a little bit more, like it's not, this is a bit more matte than it is. It has like a little bit more slip to it, but overall, color on point, what I wanted. And I do really like the color of the lip liner as well. I feel like this would definitely look a little bit better on my lips if, one, I had a full face of makeup. Like, I would be, you know, more like, ooh, who is she? What's she doing? But also, if my lips weren't hella dry. It's cute though. It's very comfortable. Whatever, like the in-between of like the kind of satin to matte, like they've hit the line well. Like it's not too much either way. And it's definitely not like too light for me. I don't think so anyways. And if you think so, it's not your face. Let's do some lip gloss. Now I don't know, I mean, looking at my hand, this is definitely a little bit less pinky than like the actual lipstick is. So I don't know if that'll help to like neutralize or like what we're gonna do here, but should I bring you back in? Come on, back in. Ooh, now this smells good. The lip gloss smells better than the lipstick. Like, they don't smell exactly the same. That's cute. That's cute, girl. If I'm being like 100% honest, I actually find that this is a little bit darker than I thought it was gonna be overall. Like the whole lip kit. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more neutral. Like it is neutral. I'm not gonna like, oh my God, what is this like pink lipstick? Like it's not, it's definitely neutral. But for some reason, like I just didn't think the lip liner would be so dark. And I like the lip liner. I'm just saying based on like what I saw online, I didn't think it was gonna be as dark as it is. Are they complementary? Yeah, they look really good together. Like I do like this lip combo and I feel like it's quite flattering, especially where I don't have like a lot of other makeup on. Like I literally have highlight and a little bit of bronzer and I have my brows done, that's it. Oh, and mascara, but you get it. The formulas feel amazing. Like this lip gloss, 10 out of 10. Like if I was to go on the website right now and like somebody had given me $50 to spend, I would buy 2 of these lip glosses. Cause like I already have a lot of lipsticks and I don't think, like the lipstick's nice and I like the formula of the lipstick, but it very much reminds me of MAC. Whereas this lip gloss, I really, really like. Like there's nothing tacky about this. Like it is just jelly, it's pigmented. Like it was this guy right here in the middle. Like very, very nice, very impressed. If I had to pick like a favorite out of all of it, definitely it's lip gloss. You can tell that's what I'm saying by now. I can't stop looking at my viewfinder because like I'm just like looking at it. I'll bring my mirror back up. It's cute. Like, it looks good. My, like, final thoughts on it. I really like the way that it looks. I really like this color. The formulas of everything I think are really nice. The lipstick smells like a little bit like Fruit Loops, which I just, like, don't really love. But the lip gloss smells 10 out of 10 like freaking cupcakes. So, I'm a little bit torn on that. I think that the price is not bad for what you're getting, but when you're like thinking about like international and like sending, unless they're gonna do promos all the time, I think it's a little bit up there, like just a little bit. Maybe offer, I don't know, maybe they need to like break up the kits and like offer the kits in like a different way. I don't know, but like it's not the $45 is a lot of money. If that was $45 Canadian and I got free shipping, I would have no problem. Like I would get 4 of them. But like it's when you add the conversion for international orders and the shipping, like it definitely puts it up there, like $80 for 3 products. When you don't know what's coming to you, that's kind of my point. But overall, it's a brand new company. They're probably gonna work on pricing, and like I'm assuming the more clientele that they have from international orders, probably the lower the shipping cost will be. If I had to kind of give this like a rating right now, I would give it like a solid 8.5 out of 10, and I am a harsh marker. 10 out of 10s are few and far between with me. Like I don't like to give a 10 out of 10. This is obviously a first impression. I'm literally putting it on for the first time, trying it out. So I mean, is this my dead end of whatever? No. I don't know, but I don't know what would change that would make me not like this the way that I'm liking it right now. Like, I'm looking forward, I'll put it this way, I'm looking forward to their next promo. You're gonna have to let me know what you think. I like the color. It's a bit darker than I thought it was gonna be, but I do like the color. So you're gonna have to let me know what you think. What do you think it looks like on me? Have you tried anything from Cab Cosmetics? Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I know that I've been like sporadic and stupid and whatever, but June I will definitely be here more, I can promise you that. And I'll let you know why in my next video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.